أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our today's topic is units for measurement of a physical quantity. Units of for measurement of a physical quantity. Definition. What is unit? Unit is a reference standard. Unit is a reference standard with which the physical quantity is measured. Unit is a reference dot with which a physical quantity is measured. Okay. Say, let us measure the physical quantity x. Let us measure the physical quantity x. Here, two things arise. One is unit. It is unit u, and it is numerical value n, and its numerical value. For example, if we are measuring a mass, we know the SI unit of mass is kilogram. We know it. For measuring this mass, if this is the x quantity, we can show this like this: mass it is equal to n kg. N takes any value, and maybe 1, 2, 3 dash. N takes any value. It is a numerical value, and it is unit. We can show this x quantity like we can show it is unit like x is equal to nu. This quantity x quantity, we can measure it in different system of units. We can measure it in CGS system of units. Wire. This C is the unit for length, centimeter, and this G is gram. This for mass, and this S is for what? Second, time. Also, MKS system. There are 4 system of units. MKS system. It is meter for length, Kelvin for temperature, and this S for second. Or we are taking the earlier one was the FPS. First of all, FPS system, earlier one, before these two systems. That is, for length it was foot, for mass it was pound, for time it was second. But it is now it is outdated. It's not used. Nowadays we are using SI system, Standard International D units, which is used all over the world. SI system of units. In SI system, for mass we are taking, we have kilogram. For length we have meter. For time we have this second. Time we have second. We can change these units from one system to another system, but their magnitude does not change. For example, if we are measuring a quantity x, we are measuring it in one system of units. Let it may be n1, u1. We know it. n1 is its numerical value, and u1 is its unit. If another system of units, for the same quantity x, we may represent it N2 U2. Its magnitude does not change. Its magnitude does not change. That we can see x is equal to N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Its magnitude does not change. So we can say it may be same. So instead of it, we can write like x is equal to N U. N U. What is this N? N is the numerical value. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. What is unit? It may be meter, kilogram, second, whatever. Okay. We are saying that it remains constant. It does not change. Its magnitude does not change. So we can say N U it is equal to constant. It is equal to constant. Or we can say N is equal to constant beta U. What is this N? It is its numerical value. What is this U? It is unit of measurement. It remains constant. Okay. Now, or I can say N is equal to constant into 1 by U. Into 1 by U. Instead of constant, I can write the sign of proportionality. N is proportional because we sometimes eliminate this proportionality, use constant term. Instead of constant term, I can use this proportional term and 1 by U. So, from this, it is clear that this N is inversely proportional to this unit. N is inversely proportional to this unit. This numerical value is inversely proportional to the unit of the physical quantity. If this U increases, N decreases automatically. If it decreases, if U decreases, N increases. U decreases and increases. I'm giving example of a mass. It is 1. We know that the mass, what is the unit of mass? That is a kilogram. That's 1. Instead of we write here 1 kilogram, it may become 1 by 1. That it remains 1. If we are taking here in case of in this CGS unit, we take this gram. Then we may use here instead of U we may use here 100,000 grams. That it is numerical. This is increased. U it may decrease because 1 by this 1,000 may be 0.001. That it is decreased. If we increase its value, it may decrease. If we decrease its value, it may increase. Okay, we can change one system of units into another system of units. That is in our syllabus. We may do it in our next classes. Okay, we must know the characteristics of a characteristics of unit of measurement of a physical quantity. We must know its characteristics. इसकी हमें खासियत पता होनी चाहिए. ये यूनिट हमें कैसा होना चाहिए, कैसा हमने यूनिट होना चाहिए. We must know its characteristics. Its characteristics हमने पता होना चाहिए इसकी characteristics क्या क्या होनी चाहिए. It must be suitable for measurement. Its first characteristic is it must be suitable. It must be suitable for measurement. It must be suitable for measurement. That means we should have such a unit which is suitable. That means if we have for mass we have a kilogram, that is a hexagonal shape. It must not in such a way that we can't lift it, or we can't take it. We can't take it from one place to another place. It must be suitable. Uh, it must be of suitable size. Its size must be suitable. For example, if we have a meter length, its length should be in such a way we must take it from one place to another place, just like a man selling clothes. He takes a meter with him, and with that meter he measures that cloth which he sells. And if its size very big, he can't take it with him. He can't take it. So its length must be of a suitable size. Unit must be a suitable size. Number second, what is its property? It should be accurate. It should be accurate, and it should measure the distance accurately. It should be accurate, and it should measure the accurate, and it should be accurate all over the world. It should be same all over the world. It should not different from place to place. Here in India, it should be of one length. In England, it should be of another length. No, it should be of same length. It should be accurate. It should measure accurately. Such it is its characteristics. It is correct. It should be accurate, and it should measure just accurately. Number third, it should be easily accessible. It should be easily accessible. It should easily accessible. इसकी हर एक को एक्सेस होनी चाहिए. Access होनी. That means a poor and poorest shopkeeper should have these units of measurement, small units of measurement, and it should not be so. I mean to say, it should not be so expensive. So such that shopkeepers may not, or shopkeepers or another which are with this weights and measurement department that cannot afford. They cannot afford. So it should be easily accessible to all. ये हर एक को होना चाहिए ताकि हर एक इसे हासिल कर सके. It should be easily accessible. It should be easily reproducible. इसको हर एक कंट्री बनानी चाहिए कि चाहे इसमें एक कंट्री को दूसरे कंट्री को मांगना ना पड़े, भीख ना मांगना पड़े. It should be reproducible. ऐसी यूनिट्स होनी चाहिए. Those are the best units of measurement. These are the characteristics, important characteristics of the measurement. I will take last. Its characteristics. It should not change with the. It should not change with the physical conditions. It should not change with the physical conditions like physical conditions like temperature, time, or we can say temperature, time, or pressure. It should not change. If a temperature increases in winters, it shows something different, or in summer season it shows something different, or it changes with time, or it changes with pressure. No, it should not change. It should be same at every condition. It should be same at every condition. It should show same response at every condition. At every condition. Okay. We can in our next topics we may discuss with FPS system, this CGS system, or this MKS system, and SI system and we can see how we can change this SI system of SI system into CGS system or CGS system into SI system in next topics, inshallah. Thanks.